To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Next, tap on Account Center located at the top of the page. Under the Account Settings header, tap on Personal Details. Here you will see your birthday. Tap on it to proceed. You can update your birthday information by tapping Edit if necessary. Below, you will find an option labeled Who can see your birthday on Instagram. Tap on it to proceed. Then, tap Change Visibility on Instagram to adjust your settings. By default, Followers you follow back is selected, meaning only the followers you also follow can see your birthday. If you select Close Friends List, only the people you have added to your close friends list will be able to see your birthday. And if you select No One, only you will be able to see your birthday, and nobody else will have access to it. Now, select the option that best suits your preferences. Finally, tap Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. So that's how you can change who can see your birthday on Instagram.